Hi, my name is Paula and welcome to my vlog. February. It's a little bit cold, a little bit windy, but it's equally as beautiful as it is in summer. So today I am here in Hyde Park just having a look around, just kind of getting my bearings again. I love it here in London. I love the cafes, I love the pubs, I love the nightlife, I love the shopping, the weather maybe, but everything else I just love about it. So I'm actually really excited to be here. I only landed this morning, so bear with me. So from Malaysia to here, it took me 14 hours, a direct flight for British Airways. What is this garden? Not much now, but I'm guessing it will be beautiful here in spring and summer. Gone into an exhibition here at Kensington Palace. It is under refurbishment, but if you want to go in and you like Princess Diana or a little bit of history, it is worth a look. You can't video, but you can take photos.
To chop into some rosemary and garlic camembert baked in sourdough and supported by some fresh local celery produce.
Yeah, it is.